Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining. Folks, today we're grilling up some hamburgers over some mesquite wood. Should be a fun cook. We're going to check out a new portable grill that was sent to me. So we'll bring you right back after this, and y'all enjoy the intro. See you shortly.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright folks, this is my setup. Got some mesquite wood burning down here. I just laid down a bed of some charcoal briquettes down there to get the wood going. I got some stone wood around just to protect the area because I'm up against my back fence over here. And this is the grill. Alright, you got some stainless steel. This is all 304 stainless, by the way. But you got some Stay Cool handles here on each side. You got a handle right here that you can grab and carry it with if you want. It's got a really cool design. Let's pull it off here and let you see see. How about that? Can you see that? Hopefully you can. Anyway, looks like a flag. It's pretty cool. This is made by Master Machine Manufacturers, I believe is the name of it. You've got two stakes that go. You just hammer them into the ground, and they hold this thing up. And they've got little ridges. You know, I don't know. Looks like every 1/16 of an inch or so. So you can adjust this, you know, up and down. Drop it down like that, which I'm gonna do to get this thing hot, so I can grill my burgers. But yeah, she's looking really good. And you can use this thing anytime you're outside just camping out, man. It's a cool little portable handle. And these rods, they're about the same, almost the same length as this. So you put them together and, you know, kind of tie wrap it to this grate right here. I've heard some people refer to this as the grill. So I think I'm gonna go with that. If you're interested, I'll put the links down below for you. But it's mmm-usa.com. Which it actually is stamped here or cut out. This is a really nice looking grill, man. It's actually quite heavy for its size. So let me go get the burgers and we'll see how this baby cooks. Alright guys, we're fixing to grill these burgers up. I did coat this thing with some vegetable oil. I just rubbed it on with a paper towel, and we're fixing to throw these burgers on there and see what we can get going here. I got 4 burgers. That should hold me. There we go, just like that. And these are partially frozen, but I bought them fresh. I just wanted to, you know, kind of not. I mean, they're still. You can still put your finger in it, okay? They're not frozen. But I just wanted to kind of get a little chill on them. That way they don't overcook, hopefully. And we'll just let them go like that, probably 3, 4, 5 minutes or so, and then we'll flip them, do the other side. When I start seeing blood or you know, liquid pooling up on the top, then I'll flip them around. And also, if you see one area, like over in this area, directly over the wood, flame starting to get a little bit too hot, simply move the burgers over to a lower heat on your grill, or raise your grill. You know, you can do that. I love this thing, man. This thing's working great so far. So we're just gonna grill some burgers, and I'll bring y'all along. We'll check in here in a minute. Oh, I forgot. I am going to season these with some Smiling Swine barbecue. This is a steak and chop, my favorite. Oh yeah, baby. Get you some of that going on. Whoo, doggy, that's going to be good. Alright, catch y'all back shortly. Alright, I think we're hotter back here in the back. This, well, there goes Fifi. Anyway, I'm starting to get some liquid pooling on the top here. I'm going to go ahead and flip that baby over. And flip this one over as well. Well, it's slick. Oh, there you go. Just like that. Let's check these out. They're looking pretty good. Yeah, these two on this side aren't really over direct heat that much. I mean, the heat is further towards the back. I think I can do this. Scoot them back a little bit. There you go. Oh, now you're getting some fire. Shoot ya. Alright, we got to season these babies up on this side. There you go. And folks, I'll put a Smiling Swine barbecue link down for you down in the description box. Again, this steak and chop is my absolute favorite, but all of his rubs are good, y'all. Alright, we're going to let this cook for a few more minutes, and we're going to throw some cheese on there. And we're going to toast up some buns. And folks, we're going to be eating here shortly. Alright, I got fluid running again from this side. So I think these are getting really, really close. Still not sure about these back two, but I know these two up here in the front, they're getting real close. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw some cheese on a couple of these. And oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, I have been adjusting this up and down just a little bit, you know, inch or so here and there. When I start seeing it flaming up too high or something, because these burgers have some grease in them, so you will see that happen. All right, let's let them go for a little bit. Back these off a little bit. That's gonna be some good eating, y'all. Oh, we need to stick our buns on there. Okay, let's get our buns toasted up. What you say? Put them over here on the low side. Just like that.
Alright, bring y'all back when the cheese is melting. We'll taste these burgers.
Alright guys, I think we are ready. Y'all check that out. A couple of little stars from that, the heat coming through the little star right there. Oh yeah, that one's looking good too. Alright, we're fixing to get us some burgers going here. Yeah, let's double it up. What do you say? That looks good to me right there. Get us a flat bun right here. There you go, baby. Take these babies off, put them on my little platter over here. Alright, there's your burger, folks. There you go. We're out camping, so you don't need all the mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce, ketchup, bacon, all that stuff. That's a burger. Let's let this cool off for a second, and then we'll give it a taste.
Alright, I know y'all ready to see this burger. Y'all check it out. Oh yeah, baby. That's cooking out at its finest right there. Unless you got hot dogs, I like those too. Let's give it a taste. See how it tastes over that mesquite wood. Nice medium well. Y'all gotta get you some of this. Smiling Swine. Link down below. Cheers. Oh. Made in the USA, baby. That's the grill. There you go. Nice little logo on the back. This is their koozie they sent me. They got shirts and hats as well. And also this koozie, it comes with a lid that you can screw on here and drink it like you're drinking coffee or something in the morning. It'll hold coffee and tea and stuff. And cheers. Man, it doesn't get any better than cooking over a live fire, folks. Use the wood of your preference, but man, it just adds so much flavor to your meat when you're cooking, when you're grilling like that. It's kind of like offset, you know, you get a lot of that flavor from the wood. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all go check out Master Machine Manufacturing. I'll put the link down below in the description box. And also I got a promo code. They were happy to set me up with a promo code, and they sent this grill to me. Okay, so I didn't pay for it, but told them I'd review it for them. But they got a promo code. Can't remember the percentage. I think maybe 10%, maybe 5%. I can't remember. That you save if you use the code TRoyCooks. I'll put it down here for you, and also a link in the description as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I sure did have fun. It's a beautiful day out here in Austin, Texas. And my dogs enjoyed getting to smell some fine food cooking again. So we'll check y'all back here in a few, and hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all like this kind of stuff, y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all of your friends. It's hot. Please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. See y'all next time. That's a fine grill.